Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z5X, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, open the settings, then go to System and select Reset Options. Now all you have to do is to tap on Reset All Settings, and if you truly want to do it, just tap on Reset All Settings. Confirm it by tapping on Reset All Settings one more time. If you have some screen lock pattern password, you will have to provide it before the reset, and now just wait till it's done. And that's it. That will be all. Now you can set up your device from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.